Alright, welcome back. This time we are going to make detail number 5. This one is a really easy one and shouldn't take too long at all. In this one there is no hole table because it is just that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get a little closer here. Give you a chance to pause, capture that data. Once again, if you want your own copy, head on over to becksarmory.com where you can find a copy for 99 cents when the project's over. I know some of you guys are looking forward to these plans and you want a copy so you can build it now, but those won't be available until I'm finished because I want to build this whole thing and fire it up, see how good it works, troubleshoot it, make sure there's no bugs, and then I'm going to put these prints online. So the last follow-up video, once that is released, that's when you'll be able to get these prints from Beck's Armory. Hopefully that will not be too long because I'm itching to get this thing finished. So let's get started. First dimension. Alright, so that is the completion of detail 5. And this is the bracket that holds your tracking wheel. So these two right here. So on this hole here, it's a 5/16 hole. You can ream this if you want and use a pin. If you want it to be really precise and really rigid. And that's but I want to do this all easy and simple with a process that most guys already have. If you got to go buy a $60 reamer, it's going to be a little prohibitive for some people building this. So using the amount of tension that I have, the stuff that everybody can get, I'm going to try out just drilling this hole. So it's one of the things that I want to make sure works before this is all said and done. If it turns out it has to be precisely reamed and a pin used, then I will replace this video with an updated one. If it works great, then rock on. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to share it with a friend who may be interested in building a 2x72 belt grinder. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get notifications of future videos like this, and when this project is all done you will be notified via YouTube. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Thanks.